How to recover deleted ChatGPT chat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT, log into your account, click on your profile located at top right corner of your screen in ChatGPT, which is beside temporary. Then click on settings. After you click on settings, this kind of screen will pop up. In here, go to data controls, which is the fourth option, and turn on chat history and training. After you've done that, open a new tab and then search OpenAI status. Click on the first link that pops up. After you have opened the link, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you will find all the history, all the incidents. If you scroll down, you'll find more incidents. After that, click on three dots located at top right corner of your screen, which is beside your profile. Scroll down to settings, click on settings, and then go to privacy and security located at the left side. Click on delete browsing data. After you've clicked on delete browsing data, make sure there's no tick mark in cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click on delete. After that, simply open new tab, open ChatGPT, try logging in, and you're good to go. This is how to recover deleted ChatGPT chat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for joining.